Hello friends, previous lecture is continue. Null is a special type that only has one value. Null, to give a variable the null value, simply assign it like this: dollar sign my variable underscore where equal to null. The special constant null is capitalized by convention, but actually it is case insensitive. You could just as well as have typed a variable that has been assigned null has the following properties. First is it evaluates to false in a boolean context, and second it returns false when tested with is set function sign. String, they are sequence of characters like PHP support string operations. Following are valid example of string. String first, this is a string in double quotes. This is a somewhat long simply quotes string. This is string has try 9 characters, and last double slash a string with 0 characters. Singly quotes string are treated almost literally, whereas doubly quotes string replace variable with their value as well as especially interpreting creating character sequence. Here the coding is so this coding is output. My dollar sign variable will not print and my name will print. There are no artificial limit on string length within the bound of available memory. You thought to be able to make arbitrarily long string that are delimited by double quote as in this are pre-proposed in both the following two-way by PHP. Beginning with backslash are replaced with special characters. Variable names string with dollar sign are replaced with string representation of their value. The escape sequence replacement or slash n is replaced by the new line character. Slash r is replaced by the carriage return character. Slash t is replaced by the tab character. Slash dollar sign is replaced by the dollar sign itself. Slash is replaced by a single double quote, and double slash is replaced by a single black slash. Here document you can assign multi-line to a single string variable using here documents in code the show in below. This use the here document syntax to output multi-lines with variable interpolation. Note that the here document terminator must appear on a line with just a semicolon, no extra white space, int and print scan channels. This will produce following result. This use the here document syntax to output multi-lines with variable interpolation. Note that the here document terminator must appear on line with just semicolon, no extra white space. Variable scope can be defined as the range of availability a variable has to the program in which it is declared. PHP variable can be one of 4 scope types: local variables, function parameters, global variables, static variables. Variable naming. Rules for naming a variable is variable name must begin with a letter or underscore character. A variable name can consist of numbers, letters, underscores, but you cannot use character like plus sign, minus sign, percent sign, comma, brackets, and etc. There is a no size limit for variable. PHP constants type. The constant is a name or an identifier for a simple value. A constant value cannot change during the execution of the script. By default, a constant is case sensitive. By convention, constant identifier are always underscore. By always uppercase. A constant name starts with a letter or underscore followed by any number of letters, numbers or underscores. If you have defined a constant, it can never be changed or undefined. To define a constant, you have to use define function, and to retrieve the value of constant, you have to simply specify its name. Unlike with variables, you do not need to have a constant with a dollar sign. You can also use the function constant to read a constant's value if you wish to obtain the constant name dynamically. Constant function, as indirect by the name, this function will return the value of the constant. This is useful when you want to retrieve value of a constant but you do not know its names. It is stored in a variable or written by a function. Constant example shown here. PHP magic constant. PHP provides a large number of predefined constants to any script which it runs. There are 5 magic constants that change depending on where they are used. For example, the value of line depends on the line that it's used on in your script. These special constants are case insensitive and are as follow. A few magic PHP constants are given below. First line, the current line number of the file. Second file, the full path of file name of the file if used inside and include the name of the included file is returned. Since PHP 4.0.2 file always constant and absolute path, whereas in older version it content retrieve path under some requirements. Third, function. The function name added in PHP 4.3.0 as of PHP 5, this constant return the function name as it was declared. Case sensitive. In PHP 4 its value is always lowercase. Fourth, class. The class name added in PHP 4.3.0 as of PHP 5, this constant return the class name as it was declared. Case sensitive. In PHP 4 its value is always lowercase. Method. The class method name added in PHP 5.0.0, the method name is written as it was declared. Case sensitive. PHP operators. Type. Simple answer can be given using expression 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Here 4 and 5 are called operands and plus is called operator. PHP language support following type of operators. First is arithmetic operators. There are following arithmetic operator support by PHP language. Assume variable A hold 10 and variable B hold 20. Then operator description and example shown in here in table. Second, comparison operator. There are following comparison operators supported by PHP language. Assume variable A hold 10 and variable B hold 20. Then show in some examples, operators, descriptions and examples shown here. Logical operator. There are following logical operator supported by PHP language. Assume variable A hold 10 and variable B hold 20. Then description and operators with example shown here with table. Fourth, assignment operator. There are following assignment operator supported by PHP language. Same table in show this expression and example operator in description shown here. Fifth is conditional operator. There is one more operator called conditional operator. This first evaluates as expression for a true or false value and then execute one of the two given statement depending upon the result of the evaluation. This conditional operator has this syntax. Operator syntax, description and example. So in here, operators category. All the operators we have discussed above can be categorized into following categories. Unary prefix operator which precede a single operands. Binary operator with take two operands and perform a variety of arithmetic and logical operations. The conditional operators are ternary operators which take three operands and evaluates either the second or third expression depending on the evaluation of the first expression. Assignment operator which assign a value to a variable. Precedence of PHP operators. Operator precedence determine the grouping of the term in a expression. This affects how an expression is evaluated. Certain operators have higher precedence than others. For example, the multiplication operators has higher precedence than the additional operators. Example, x equal to 7 plus 3 into 2. Here x is assigned 13, not 20, because operator asterisk has higher precedency than plus, so it first get multiplied with 3 into 2 and then 8 into 7. Here operators which the highest precedence appear at the top of the table. Those with the lowest appear at the bottom. Within expression, higher precedency operator will be evaluated first. In here, show the table, category, operator and associative. So in here, PHP decision making. The if else and switch statement are used to take decision based on the different condition. You can use conditional statement in your code to make your decision. PHP support following three decision making statement. So the here diagram is flowchart, data flow algorithm. If else statement. Use this statement if you want to execute a set of code when a conditional is true and another if the conditional is not true. Else if statement is used with the if else statement to execute a set of code if one of the several condition is true. Switch statement is used if you want to select one of many blocks of code to be executed. Use the switch statement. The switch statement is used to avoid long blocks of if else code. The if else statement. If you want to execute some code if a condition is true and another code if a condition is false, use the if else statement. Syntax, so in here an example also. The else if statement. If you want to execute some code if one of the several conditions are true, use the else statement. Syntax and example. So in below. Example so in here. The following example will out have a nice day weekend if your current day is Friday and have a nice Sunday if the current day is Sunday. Otherwise it will output have a nice day. So in coding here, it will be produce the following result, have a nice day weekend. The switch statement. If you want to select one of many blocks of code to be executed, use the switch statement. The switch statement is used to avoid long block of if else code. Syntax in here. So an example, the switch statement work in an usual way. First it evaluates given expression, then seek a label to match the resulting value. If a matching value is found, then it code associated with the matching label will be executed, or if none of the label matches, then statement will be execute any specified default code. So in code in here and switch case statement to be continue. Thank you.